If I were to start affiliate marketing in 2025, here's exactly what I would do. Actually, hold on. I am starting fresh with affiliate marketing in 2025. So let me share with you the exact steps I'll follow. What's better than learning from someone who's in the process, right? In this video, I'll give you 4 steps to kickstart and grow your affiliate marketing journey successfully. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to succeed if you put in the work. So, grab a pen and paper, because these tips are super important. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first thing you need to do is pick your niche. I see so many people making the mistake of not defining their niche properly, and it costs them a lot of time and effort. Your niche is the specific area or topic you'll focus on in your affiliate marketing content. If I asked you, what's your niche? And you can't answer clearly, that's a problem. Here's how to fix it. Ask yourself 2 simple questions. What topics do you love? What topics are people actively searching for? Use YouTube or Google to check for high engagement content in your area of interest. If videos are getting a lot of views, that means there's demand for that niche. Once you find a profitable niche, you're all set to move forward. Step 2. Create a content strategy. Picking a niche is only the beginning. You'll need a plan for creating content that promotes affiliate links. Content is divided into 2 types. Search-based content, tutorials, reviews, or how-to videos people search for. Suggested content, videos or posts recommended by YouTube or social platforms. Use tools like vidIQ to find low-competition keywords with high search volume. If you decide to create videos that rely on YouTube suggestions, find topics that people want but aren't overly saturated. To make this work, you need to recreate successful content in your unique way. This helps you tap into what's already popular but gives it your own twist. Step 3. Focus on quality over quantity. Affiliate marketing is a competitive game. If your content isn't high quality, it will get buried. Think of your content as soldiers in a battle, and you need the strongest ones to win. Focus on delivering clear, valuable information with professional editing and engaging visuals. The fastest way to improve is to practice. In the beginning, upload as many videos or posts as possible, and use your free time to learn and improve your skills. Over time, your content will get better as you understand how to create more polished, engaging videos. Step 4. Stay consistent and analyze your results. Affiliate marketing is a long-term game. It's easy to overestimate what you can achieve in a month, but underestimate what you can do in a year. The key is consistency. If your videos or posts aren't performing well, figure out what went wrong. Did you choose the right topic? Was the delivery off? Did you promote it enough? If something works well, identify why and repeat it. Don't be afraid to tweak your approach based on results, and always analyze your content's performance. With time, you'll improve and get better results. The benefit of continuing is that, look, my friend, in the best case, you'll win. And in the worst case, you'll learn. And learning is exactly what you need to succeed in the end. So, if you keep going, you'll move from the will I mindset to the I will mindset.